So today I'm going to be showing how to do a vaginal cytology. So I have some chlorhexidine scrub, some gauze with some saline, sterile lube, sterile saline, sterile swabs, microscope slides, and my speculum. So first I'm going to start by rinsing the area first. Now using the gauze with the saline on it, making sure I wipe it all off.
Good girl, Lizzie.
So now that the area is clean, I'm going to use some of the lubricant.
Gotta get the foil off the inside of it. It's brand new.
I'm going to put a bit onto some gauze over here. Now with my saline, I'm going to gently spray that over the sterile swabs. Now I'm going to use the speculum, add some lubricant on top of that. Using my sterile swab.
You can go sort of deep with the swab. Make sure you get the walls. And just twirl it around.
There we go. So now with my sample, I'm going to roll that across this slide.
Go make a second one if you want.
And then a second slide. And one last slide.
Good girl, Lizzie.
Now I'm going to stain these and look at it through a microscope. So I've let my slides sit out for a couple of minutes just to air dry. So the next step is going to be staining them with the clean Diff Quick stains. So we're going to make sure we put this in for about 10 seconds. Moving on to the next one. And then letting it sit for just a little bit longer in the last stain. So after rinsing this under some water, just going to gently dry it off with some of this paper, just gently pressing it down. Alright, and here's my slide. I'm gonna let this dry for just a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna look at it through the microscope. So now that I have my slide stained, I'm gonna use this, place it under the microscope, starting on the lowest power, looking at the entire slide. So right now it looks like the slide has picked up all the stain, so it's looking good under the microscope. And now moving on to the next power, going to be looking again at each cell. By using the microscope, we can tell what stage of the estrous cycle that patient is in. Everything's looking good on that level. So moving up to the next level, 40. This one I'll be able to see a little bit more detail of the cell. So by looking at this slide sample, I'm seeing a lot of epithelial cells, which is normal to see with a dog that has been spayed.